thick in the sense of protection, right? Drop this thing, you're not going to have a care. Hey guys, Lenny Bonds here from Purposely Pixel, and this is my Pixel 5a. Now, anytime I get a new device, the first thing I do is I get myself a screen protector, as you can see, and I always get myself a case. I love the way the phone feels naked, but I don't trust myself with it, and I want to protect my investment, and I hope you guys would too. I received a case from this company, Venner, for the Pixel 5a, as you can see right here. It's the commute case. It actually is pretty nice because it has a couple of features. It has a wallet. You could put your ID cards, your credit cards, whatever you want. It holds about 3 of them, from what I gather. So let's check it out. So as you can see here, the back flap of it will fold into like a kickstand. So it says you could do it vertically and horizontal, which is pretty cool. Actually, let's take a look at this case. It says Commute right here. That's the name of the case. It's made of a nice, solid TPU type of material. The inside has raised ridges so you could feel the design. It has a very thick border. You could tell it has ample protection. And as you can see, the case is raised, so when you lay the phone down, you're not going to have any issue of scratching the back of the phone or the camera lens. It has the volume key buttons and the power button here. It has an opening for the 3.5 millimeter jack, the microphone, the speakers, and the USB-C. Put this in and see how it feels. There it is in the case. It fits it very well. Let's test the buttons. I always like to do this. Volume keys work perfectly. Power on, power off, perfect. Now we have this little flap. You flip it open, you slide your identification card, your credit cards, or whatever type of cards that are all the same size in here. As you can see, the camera is recessed, as well as the fingerprint. It has a nice design, so you could definitely feel where it's at. USB ports, speakers, they're all well covered. I mean, this is a pretty solid case. I don't think you're going to have an issue with drops. The other thing that it said it has is this little kickstand. So you can lay the phone down. You can watch YouTube if you want. You stand it vertically, as you can see. You could do it horizontal. You have a couple of angles you could do, right? So I think it goes like this you could do. Let's see if it stays up. You could change that, this. So you have different angles you could choose. I would definitely recommend this for those that want ample protection. There's also a few caveats with this also. So you get to use this as a kickstand. It also works with the magnetic car holders, so you don't have to buy an additional piece. It will stick to it. It also wirelessly charges, but you would have to open up the flap and charge this way. The Pixel 5a doesn't charge wirelessly, so I can't show you that. But that's in the manual and in the description of the case itself. So let me know if you have any questions about the Venner Commute case. I will leave a link below as to where to get this case. And today, we also received the Venner Armored case. This is the rugged case, and it's compatible with the Pixel 5a, as you can see at the bottom. Now, this is something in the category of like an OtterBox in terms of protection. Seems like a large case. It even comes with a swivel belt clip. Let's open this up. So here's an instruction manual of how to install it. Have a belt clip. Take it out and see. It's a heavy-duty case. The case is actually a dual-layer polycarbonate and TPU with a corner guard design. As you can see, it's an extremely thick case. Look at the corners on this thing. That's going to absorb a lot of impact if you drop it. And me, being a letter carrier that works outside, I will definitely drop this. It has all the cutouts for the speakers, the USB-C, the volume rocker, the power button, 3.5 millimeter jack, and the speaker. Let's drop the Pixel 5a in here. So, right away, extreme protection. It lays flat on its side, stands upright because it's so thick in the sense of protection, right? Drop this thing, you're not going to have a care. I don't think so whatsoever. Let's test the buttons because I always like to do that. This is the volume rocker. It has a nice tactical feel. Power button off. Has a little cutout in the back. Fingerprint scanner. Again, the camera is recessed. This case is built extremely well. It has the name of the case on it, Armor. This is a Venner product, and it's an extremely durable case from what I see. Look at the corners on that. Not going to hurt for dropping. Stands upright. Stand sideways. You don't even need a kickstand to watch anything. It's a TPU, but it's almost like a hard plastic in the back. This is all rubberized. It's military grade material. Again, recessed camera back, recessed design for the fingerprint scanner, easily to feel. Boom. Opens up, and it comes with this is a holster for your belt. I particularly wouldn't use it. That's not something I use, but you take it, drop it in, I think this way. There it goes. This on your pants. Swivels, whichever way you want. You just pop it out like this, and that's your swivel holder. I'm not that type of guy, especially because of what I do as in a living. We're caught on fences and gates and things like that happen. I used to back in the day, but I could see the reason why you do that, especially construction workers and everyone that wants quick access to their phone and device. Protects it well. This, once again, is the Venner Armor Case, and I will leave a link below on how to purchase it. I want to thank Venner for sending me the product and reviewing it. Let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know if you use a case, screen protector, to protect your device. It's a big purchase, so I always recommend it. And if you have any questions or concerns, please hit me up in the comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe to us. Let us know if there's anything we can do to improve on our channel. This is Lenny Bond from Purposely Pixels signing off.